How to allow your friends to join private server on Roblox. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to allow your friends to join your private server on Roblox. Let's get started. Open up Roblox application on your device. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you can find the More section at the bottom right corner. Just tap on it, and then you can find the Inventory tab right here. Go to Inventory. Now from the list here, you can find the drop down. So on category, you can find accessories selected by default. You can click on this and scroll down until you find private servers. Tap on it and it's going to show you all of your available private servers. Just go ahead and tap on any one of those private servers. Once you are inside, to invite your friends or connections, tap on the three dots at the bottom left. Then tap on Invite Connections and simply invite these people. Tap on the invite button right beside their name and you should be good to go. So that's how you basically invite your friends to join your private server on Roblox. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.